Welcome back to Moto Guzzi, and as you can see, we're making progress with the frame. War masking, did the front, doing the sides, the fuel tank, getting there. Oh, what? I said I'd have it finished? Well, where's the fun in that? It's not coming along badly, I have to say, even in those hard to reach places. So while I finish that off, you guys have got time to subscribe down here if you haven't already, and give the video a thumbs up, and maybe we'll get it finished off by the end of the episode. And just in case you're considering such lunacy yourself, just a tip, paint the frame first, then the engine, then you won't have to mask the engine off each time. How many times have I got to do this before I work out what's best to do first? And anyway, as you can see, we are committed to finishing this. We have 2 extra cans. Probably more than enough. That's that sorted. 1 down, 2 to go. Tricky getting in these spots, but not impossible. That looks a bit dodgy, doesn't it? Well, there it is, job done. So who had money against me being able to do it? Yeah, I think we've done it pretty well. I think that's going to look lovely. You'll notice I left the drive shaft as is, and on the other side, this strut here. I think I want to do that black. I don't really want to accentuate it, bring it out. And same with this. Not quite sure how I'm going to do that. I might wrap it. And also at the rear end, what I haven't done yet is chop these. I'm a little concerned. I think I'm going to follow the lines of the shock absorber and kind of chop them up at an angle. And at the same time, I'm a little concerned getting in there with any kind of angle grinder without chopping the tyre. And I don't really want to take the back wheel off because there's that drive shaft thing, and that looks really complicated. So I've bought myself just a metal saw, electric metal saw, and we'll do it with that. So this could be the shortest episode ever. Well, you didn't want to see hours of video of me painting things, did you? Oh yeah, there's that back in place as well with nice shiny new nuts and bolts. Next up, having painted the frame, obviously we'll be hopefully getting our fuel tank soon, and we can kind of test fit that, and that will enable us to work out exactly where the seat's going and how we're going to mount it. We've got some potential mounting points there. Don't know what we're going to do at the front end. Maybe we hinge it on that so it all lifts up. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? Don't know if that's going to work. And I know it's not the frame, but we've got to do something with that ridiculous starter motor because it's a bit scruffy, innit? I think all I'm going to do is get some kind of sticker, honestly, to cover up that middle bit and then just clean everything else up. Yeah. So I think next up is one of the things that I thought I might do at the beginning, and clearly it's going to be nearer the end. I'm going to be looking at the front end. We're going to be painting that red, the disc there. We're going to be painting the forks, maybe black, maybe a little bit of gold, and certainly a little bit of silver. We're going to be leaving the wheels as they are, just cleaning them up. And I don't know what else. So yeah, we'll be getting that off next. Yes, folks, more new tools in bags. My wife likes bags, she'll be delighted. Now we're talking, this is all a bit Mad Max. So, if you remember, I bought that because we need to chop a little bit more off the frame here, and I didn't want to get in there without taking the wheel off with an angle grinder. However, what we're going to do is work out where we want to start, which is probably about there, right? And we're going to just put a little groove in there with the angle grinder to make sure then with the saw we can come down at the right angle. But not right now because it's raining outside. Yeah, and I'm going to do it outside, and I need a haircut. So catch you later. We're going metal. Or just plain metal, I don't know. Anyway, I had a haircut. Started the cut with the angle grinder, and we'll finish it off with our new toy. Hardly making quick work of that, was it? Yeah, so it turns out I need more teeth. No, less teeth. Well, that's what my dentist tells me anyway. Yes, I need a more abrasive blade. Hanging that will be... That looks more like it. Takes two. There we go, much better. Even angled that. Well, I think that's about it for the frame, honestly. I think that's a job well done, considering. Thanks as always for tuning in. If you thought the video was any good, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe down here somewhere. And, of course, encourage others to watch my lunacy.